All right, guys, as you know, we don't do too many unboxings and far less reviews. But in this case, I'm going to show you something that I just got. I always like to show you tools and things that might be useful. So we're going to take a look at this is from Electro. It's the Crowview, and basically it's a laptop with no CPU in it. And you're gonna say, why do I need a laptop with no CPU, right? It's not useless. Uh, but let me show you something. This is a basically an industrial NUC. So it's a teeny tiny desktop basically, and it's been hardened. Inside of here is a Raspberry Pi. It's running Ubuntu, so it's a Linux based little computing system. It's got HDMI, it's got the USB, and on the back it's got network connections, right? So normally when I use these in projects, there's a time that I'm setting it up and everything, and I need I need a monitor, a keyboard, mouse, and everything to set these up. And it's kind of a pain. You can see back here the setup. We'll look at it closer in a minute. You need all of that to work with this thing, get everything set up. Because what I do, I set it up, and when it gets deployed, it's in headless mode. So in headless mode, I usually remote into it with a laptop, or if I have to go into the field, I'm dragging a laptop with me and remoting into it anyway. So what I'm going to show you is the setup, the difference between having the monitor, keyboard, and all that, and setting this up. And we're going to open it up. I have not even opened it. It's still sealed. So we're going to do an unboxing, and then we're going to set it up, and so you can see what it looks like. Here we go. All right, guys, this comes in 16 in the 16-inch version, which is more the size of my laptop screen, but I figured since I was going to be using this maybe in the field, and I'd save myself a little bit of space, and I got the 14-inch one. So, all right, so let's see what's in the box. I like it's a pretty cool box on the outside. We've got a nice depiction of what you can hook up, and we're going to be doing the Raspberry Pi. That's what's on the inside of that smartphone. Pretty cool. Feature USB. So I'll be able to use this with the smartphone as an auxiliary screen and do some stuff on there. Sometimes I do some Arduino stuff on the phone that I'm always looking for a keyboard for. But let's get into this and see what's inside. I'm excited about this because I've been looking for something just like this for a minute, and here it is. So, all right, let's see. Let's see. Oi, I like it. Not too many people read the user manual, but like I like going through it because engineering wise, I'd love to see how the diagrams are. Wow, this is pretty. Yeah, it's pretty in depth there. We'll take a look at that later. We won't bore you with that right now. We'll go ahead and go through this. All right. So nicely packed. Yeah. They've got their logo across everything. Of course, here's the power supply. It's got an onboard battery, so yeah, for charging. Not pretty smooth. All right, very cool. And we've got all the cables in there. All right, so let's see what this looks like. Oh, I tore the bag. That's okay. You know what I do? I like to preserve all the packaging and stuff, but I cannot wait to see what this looks like. So, oh, wow. Okay. So nice, big mouse area. So nice big touch mouse. Let me see what the feel of the keyboard is. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's... Yeah, I mean, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference between this and a regular laptop. So it's a little bit lighter than a regular laptop, of course, because we've got the screen and the keyboard in there. And that's all you need for that. For what we're going to use it, let's take a look at what we got in here. This is keychain. Oh, it's a keychain. Oh, it's keychain. It's laser cut keychain, and it's still got the paper on it. That's for me. Y'all don't have to see that. Okay, USB for the keychain. That's mine. Thank you. Nice. This is HDMI. Yes. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay. Mini HDMI to HDMI. Nice. Okay. That's our HDMI cable. And we should have a USB-C cable in here. And there it is. Boom. All right. Very cool. All right. So, yeah, that's what we got in there. Got all the cables we need to hook up. And nice keychain. Yeah, that's mine. All right. So, yeah, I'm still, yeah, that will work. All right. Let's go ahead and hook this up and see, do a comparison between the two setups. But I think this is going to work nicely. All right, as you guys can see, this was the setup I was describing to you before with the monitor, keyboard, mouse, various cables. Before, after, before, after. So here you go. Our new setup. We've got just a laptop type device. Got the screen, mouse, and keyboard is all in one. And we just got two cables plugged in there. So the best thing about this is I don't have to carry that separate keyboard, mouse, and monitor anymore. I just need these two cables here, and it's plugged in. Yeah, let's take a close up on that. Oh, so this is pretty awesome. So it's like I'm remoting in with my laptop without the hassles of remoting in, because I don't have to do the Wi-Fi connection and all that. Just a couple of cables and I'm in. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I like it. Nice. All right, guys. So that's it. It's pretty cool. I recommend it if you guys normally need to lug around a keyboard, mouse, and a monitor. This is a nice alternative to it. Like I said, it comes in 16-inch as well as the 14-inch that you see here. Yeah, get you one if you do a lot of projects like this that need to be in headless mode after you set them up and all that. If you like the video, subscribe and share so that we can keep these videos going on the channel. I appreciate the time you spend with me. We'll see you in the next video.